mean, what doesn't worry me is the question.
I'm a bit concerned about a couple of things.
Uh-oh, found the weakness.
I should be dissing my backhand.
Now, two giants will meet in an epic doubles battle that will eclipse all that have gone before. Jonathan, the Rocket Ross.
The serve is very accurate. The forehand, formidable.
Whoa! See?
It's just the way I roll.
Will take on Jimmy Boom Boom Carr.
As long as he doesn't hit the moneymaker, we're going to be fine.
Oh, you're picking those up.
For the Sport Relief Tennis Challenge Trophy.
The problem with me at the Albert Hall is I'm going to be out of my comfort zone. I think I'm going to feel a mixture of excitement and maybe the feeling that finally I'm home.
Now we know they've got a court here, let's do it every Friday.
It's the Royal Albert Hall. Parking is the big worry.
We're doing this for Sport Relief, of course. Well, we did have fun, so it's not like swimming the channel, I'll give you that.
Let combat commence.
Our time on the show is nearly coming to an end. I just want to say a huge thank you for all the cash you've given so far. Please keep it coming because we need to help people like this.
This is Gregor. We met him 2 years ago. He's got a form of muscular dystrophy known as Duchenne's, a genetic condition that's only found in boys.
It makes your muscles weaker and you can't do much, like scratch your head or stand or that, just can't do anything like that. Eventually your body just gives up.
In 2006, we saw how your money gave the family a day off from coping. It paid for Gregor and his family and his best mate Jamie to have a day messing around in kayaks and canoes on the water. It was a day to remember.
It was a very special day. Just, as I said, we'd never done anything like that as a family before. To see Gregor laughing and the girls. And every time I watch it, I get a lump in my throat.
Since we made that film, Gregor's health has deteriorated, and today he's in Rachel's house, Children's Hospice for Respite Care.
Look at you, Gregor.
It's tough, because this is where he saw his older brother, Gary, die of exactly the same disease.
With Gregor having the health problems this year, he has asked, when am I going to die?